Hello dear children, welcome to your channel NT English Teacher. Dear children, please subscribe your channel for future videos. Today we will learn noun cases. Let us read the following sentences. Milton is a poet. Here Milton is nominative case or subject case or subjective case you can say. Hari broke the window. So window is called objective case or accusative case. Let us learn noun case. What is noun case? A noun case is the grammatical function of a noun. Noun acts as subject and object of the sentence. It has possessive form. So we need to understand these cases for better usage of noun in sentence. There are 5 cases of noun: nominative case, accusative case, genitive case, vocative case, and dative case. Nominative means subjective, accusative means objective, genitive means possessive case. What is nominative case? So nominative case is nothing but subjective case. When you use noun as subject of the sentence, that is called nominative case. So a noun, when it is used as the subject of a verb, is said to be in the nominative case or subjective case. For example, Shakespeare is a great dramatist. Here Shakespeare is a proper noun here. It is used as subject here, and we can call it nominative case, subject of the sentence. Moon shines at night. Here moon is again subject of the sentence. Moon shines, common noun here, you can call it subjective case here. Gold is a precious metal, so material noun used as subject here, we call it nominative case. Beauty, abstract noun here, beauty is everything, so beauty is subjective case, nominative case here. Let us learn accusative case. What is accusative case? Accusative case means objective case. A noun, when it is used as the object of a verb, is said to be in the accusative or objective case. For example, John killed a snake. See here, John killed a snake. Snake is, accusative object case, objective case. So very easy. What you need to ask question what here. When you get answer for that, that is called accusative case, snake. Suma answered the questions. Yes, Suma answered the question. So question is accusative objective case here. Poet admired the beauty. So beauty is again object here. So we can call it objective case. Beauty, objective case, accusative case. Possessive case, very simple. We call it genitive case. A noun, when it is used to show the ownership or possession, authority, origin or kind, etc., is said to be in the possessive case or genitive case. For example, this is Radha's books here. Radha's book. Radha's is possessive case here. They went to men's parlor. So men's is a possessive case here. Let us learn how to form possessive form here. When the noun is singular, the possessive case formed by adding s apostrophe s to the noun. For example, books. Say apostrophe s, apostrophe and s form is used because singular. Books, Radha's, Milton's, men's. When the noun is plural, the possessive case formed by adding only apostrophe, not s, apostrophe only. So to the letter s here. For example, boys, already in plural, so we need to make it possessive. So we added only apostrophe, not s here. Try to understand. Boys is. Companies is, try to understand. Companies is a possessive case of companies is. Vocative case, when the noun is the name of the person spoken to or addressed, it is said to be the vocative case or nominative case of address. For example, stand up Suresh. So the person spoken to is Suresh, he is addressed, so Suresh is vocative case here. Come on, Raju. Raju is the person spoken to or addressed to, so we can call Raju as vocative case. Dative case, when a noun indicates the indirect object of the verb, generally the verb like you, It is said to be in the dative case, means the indirect object is called dative case here. Let us understand with the example. Suma gives Tanishka a book. So Tanishka is indirect object of the sentence. So give is verb here, so we call it Tanishka. We call Tanishka dative case here. Father brought Roma a bicycle. So Roma is dative case here. Teacher gave students homework. Students is dative case. Let us find out the cases of nouns used in the sentence. Rama is the king of the Ayodhya. Very simple. This is nominative case. We can call it subjective case. Sita broke two sticks. Here this is accusative case, objective case. She gave me Suma's car. So Suma's car. Suma's is possessive case. You can call genitive case. Gopal gave the boy a bat. So vocative case. Sit down, Ramesh. So Ramesh is dative case. Okay, children, I hope you understood the cases of noun. Please subscribe your channel for future videos. We will meet in the next video. Till then, have a nice day. Take care of yourself. Stay home, stay safe.